Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. Well, today is the day 2 of our Chakarta adventure, and right now we are at Chakarta Pine Cottage. This place behind me is Pine Cottage. Let me give you a walk around of this place. These are all our bikes parked over here safely, and these are a camping setup. Um, few of the group members stayed inside the camp overnight, and this is the cottage where we are staying. To be honest, it's really beautiful to be here, and the weather here changes really fast. All of a sudden it's sunny, and all of a sudden the clouds come in and it's all foggy. So the weather here is really unpredictable. If you want to come here, do carry your raincoat, because rain can happen any moment, and then you'll be stuck all wet. So yeah, let me show you the view around this place, because it's really on a whole another level. As you can see over there, it's all foggy and you really can't see much, but the sun comes in and goes all of a sudden. The sun comes in and goes all of a sudden, and yeah, it's really beautiful. If you want to come here, I'll put the address of this place in the description below, so you can contact them, because you might not be able to find this place on the Google. But yeah, I'll put the name of this place and the contact number in the description. So if you want to come here and you want to enjoy your weekend, then surely you can. Right now I'm having my hot cup of tea, and after that we're gonna get ready, get on our bikes and visit the nearby places. So first place where we are going today is the Tiger Falls, which is in Chakarta, and after that we're gonna explore the Chakarta market, and after that we are gonna visit the Deoban forest. Today I might not be talking to you while motovlogging, because the rain comes in and goes all of a sudden. So I have removed the GoPro mic adapter and put the battery cover back on, so that the GoPro can shoot in a waterproof mode, so that I'm able to capture the moment. um, Let me show you this. You can see all of a sudden the sun has started to disappear and the clouds have started to come in. Just look at it, man. Right now it was all clear, and all of a sudden it's now all foggy. Let's finish our tea and do a breakfast, and after that we're gonna get on the bikes and I'll see you on the road. Okay boys, so we're all set to leave. Let's roll. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਜੀ, ਮਿਹਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਬਾਬਾ ਜੀ। ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ।
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose, each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
So we are finally here at the Tiger Falls, and I'm doing trekking in my riding shoes. You see down here, this is the end of the fall, and if you see over here, this is from where the fall is coming, the water is coming. So let's trek up towards the starting of the fall and see how beautiful it is and if it stands up to its name or not. So this thing, if you can see behind me, this is the Tiger Falls. Let me show you. I don't know if you're able to hear my voice because it's quite loud over here. But anyways, this is just something I haven't witnessed before. And this is something on a whole another level. So this was actually Tiger Falls. I hope you enjoyed this. And I did not go into the falls to take a bath because I wasn't carrying my swimwear. Anyways, now we're gonna pack from here and head towards our next destination, which is going to be the urban forest. So I'll see you over there.
Seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall you came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day till you come my way this season.
Right now, we were on the way to the urban forest, but looking at the condition, majority of us are deciding to stop our journey over here and head back because as soon as we get to the top, it will start to get dark and we'll have to get down on this bad road. And I'm feeling very pity on my bike because the bike is made for track and I'm doing trekking with that bike. Let's see what we decide. I'll update you what the decision is. So right now we have decided to not go any further from here because we'll ask from the local and it is 16 odd kilometers from here and it will almost take us 1 hour to reach up at the top. So it's not worth going because the road condition is also not good. You can see there is gravel, sharp stones, everything at one place. So now we are gonna get down to Chakarta market, have some food and then head back to the resort where we'll enjoy the rest of the night. Okay boys, time for update. So today was a really adventurous day. Just to sum up the whole day, it was really a hectic day to be honest. So first we went to Chakarta market when in the morning we started and there we had momos. After that we went to Tiger Fall and Tiger Fall was good, but I did not take a bath because I was not carrying my rain gear, my swimwear. So I decided just to skip that and sit there, relax and enjoy the beauty. After we were done with our adventure at Tiger Falls, we headed towards the forest that I was talking about. Unfortunately, we did not get to go to the forest because firstly the road that was going towards the forest. It was quite a difficult route, complete off road and gravels, every sharp stones, and it was just basically no road. So riding in the dark, especially in the mountains and such conditions, is not feasible and not advisable. So that is why we decided to skip that, and we decided to head back to our resort and enjoy our evening over here. Tomorrow morning we're gonna be starting from here, our journey back towards our home Delhi, and there won't be much to show you tomorrow because it will be the same route. So I won't be recording as much. So if you enjoyed this series, this 2 day 3 day trip actually, then do leave a comment in the comments down below. Let me know what all could have been better and what all you enjoyed, what all places you enjoyed. So yeah, with that said, I'm gonna close this video right here right now, and if you enjoyed so far, do hit like and subscribe, and as always, let nothing hold you back in life, and always keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.